Washing time only 15 minutes, easy, quick, perfect and hygienic wash. Following are the features of this machine: #portable, lightweight, #enabled with thermostat to save your motor from overheating. #small size, single tub washing machine with 3 kg capacity having dryer basket. #low cost / low electricity consumption and low water requirements. Wash capacity, 3 kg. Spin basket capacity 1.5 kg, spinning efficiency, 60 to 70% water will be drained. #can wash 6 to 7 cloths at a time, adults cloths. #suitable for washing jeans / t-shirts / towels / saris / curtains / bed sheets / solapuri chatter, etc. Also userful for baby's cloth. You can also use this washing machine as a separate washing machine for your baby's cloths. You can wash 8 to 10 baby's cloths in this machine.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.